Introducing the Tohnichi 3TME100CN1 torque tester, a cutting-edge digital torque meter designed to provide precise and reliable torque measurements in various applications. Manufactured by Tohnichi, a renowned brand in the industry, this torque tester combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to meet the demands of quality control professionals. With a torque range of 0.2 to 1 Newton meters, the 3TME100CN1 delivers accurate and repeatable measurements, ensuring confidence in your testing results. The large, easy-to-read digital display provides clear and precise torque readings, minimizing errors and enhancing efficiency during testing. The peak hold function captures and displays the maximum torque value, allowing for easy reference and analysis. The torque tester has a memory capacity of up to 99 data points, enabling convenient storage and recall of measurement results. With a compact and lightweight design, the 3TME100CN1 is easy to handle and transport, making it ideal for both laboratory and field applications. It's powered by two 8AA batteries, providing portability and convenience. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Tohnichi 3TME100CN1 torque tester. Its high precision, digital display, peak hold function, data storage, and compact design make it an indispensable tool for quality control professionals across various industries. Invest in this reliable torque tester and experience accurate and efficient torque measurements.